How to change the batteries in your AutoWatch Peanut Remote. Now, this remote is also known as the AutoWatch 225-000. That's the part number, as you can see printed on the back here. So what you're going to need is a small Phillips screwdriver and some replacement batteries. This one takes two CR1220 batteries. So to open it up, two screws on the back. Quite simply undo these, put them somewhere safe so you don't lose them because they are quite small. Now here's the trick to this one. When you've undone the two screws, I highly recommend you turn the remote over so the button's facing upwards and then gently pry it apart. And the reason you do that is because you can see the battery orientation. And one goes one way, one goes the other way. And if you get them back to front, clearly the remote won't work. So swap your batteries over. This is a new remote, so they're good. Pop it back together, make sure it's tight. Get your screws. Put them back in. And then test, and if it's good, your LED should shine on the remote control. For more information, check out vehiclesecurity.co.nz.